welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a Bath and Body Works haul. I recently went to their semi-annual sale and I found a lot of goodies. But before I get started, just remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram under the name of Chapa Jazz. Guys, I'm excited to share my little haul. And the first thing I'm gonna go into details is my hand soaps. I just love the packaging of the simplicity of the White Barn. So these are the hand soaps that I got for 6 for $26. I don't know if it's a good deal, but I was just in a craze. And this one is in the fragrance of Crisp Morning Air, and I love the packaging. It's so simplicity, so cute, and it's described as fresh pine, juniper, and juicy pear. And this one is usually in their fall collection, and I think it smells amazing. I ended up buying 3 of these. I just think these run out super fast in my home. I also ended up getting 3 other fragrance. I got the one on the left that says Mahogany Teakwood. In the middle, it's the Cactus Blossom. And on the right, it's the Kitchen Lemon. The description for Mahogany Teakwood is rich mahogany, black teakwood, and dark oak. The description for the Cactus Blossom is cactus flower petal, sun-kissed coconut, and sparkling lemon. This one's very good, especially for spring or summer. And this one smells so good, especially if you guys like a lot of citrus smells. And this is described as zesty lemon, sparkling citrus, and Italian bergamot. Yeah. So take my word on that. And I just love a cute packaging, especially if it's very simple. And all of these just look so lovely together. I'm actually going to store them in a white box. I'll show you guys later. So these 3 are the ones that I got for $3.75. They originally cost $7.50. Ended up picking up actually 4, but I gave one to my neighbor. I got 2 in the crisp apple and 1 that's in the fresh rainfall. And the description for the crisp apple is apple, summer melon, and sparkling citrus. And I think the packaging in this is so adorable. And I like the packaging in this one also. I like the blue flowers, and this one is the fresh rainfall. The description in this one is aloe leaf, bergamot, and chamomile water. I also ended up buying 2 of the antibacterial hand sanitizers, and they're in the fragrance of sunshines and lemons. They probably do smell like the kitchen lemon soap. And the packaging in this is so cute. I just like the little lemons, especially for summertime. And these 2 were not on sale, but they were $5.50 each. And I think it's good, especially because to find hand sanitizer nowadays, it's a struggle. Now for lotions and shower gels, I got the fragrance of Cucumber Melon. And the key notes for this is crisp cucumber, watery honeydew, summer cantaloupe, sparkling grapefruit, and sheer woods. And this smells so amazing. This is my favorite. I think, what is it called? The flashback fragrance. And it's so good for summertime. And I ended up buying 2 of the shower gels and 2 of the lotions. And these were originally $12.50, and I got them for $3.12 or $3.30. I'm very excited to start using these. I also ended up buying this Aromatherapy body wash. I actually like the little shimmer that it has inside. And this one says it brings balance, and it has juniper and coriander, and a little aromatherapy tip. Use in shower or bath to balance and bring harmony to mind and body. Breathe deeply for best results. I ended up picking up this moisturizing body wash, and it's in the fragrance of coconut. And these were originally $13.50. They were 50% off, so I ended up buying it for $7.50 or $7.25. I also picked up this 24-hour moisturizer Ultra Shea body cream, and this one is in a fragrance of coconut pineapple. I was trying to find the body wash for this, but ended up picking up just the coconut one. And the packaging is so tropical, so adorable, so cute. And I also got the fine fragrance mist. I also got some lip glosses. This one is in the Raspberry Kiss, and they were $7.50 and they were 75% off, so they came out to be, I think, $1.80. So I ended up buying 4 of those. And this one is Sweetheart Cupcake, and I love the packaging on this. It's so adorable. Another of their hand cream is this Strawberry Pound Cake. This smells so good. I can't believe I've been sleeping on this. This smells so amazing. This was $6.50 and I ended up paying $1.18. I also ended up buying more hand sanitizers, especially on the go. I got 2 in the Cactus Blossom. I also got 2 in the Cucumber Melon. I just can't get enough of the Cucumber Melon. It smells so amazing. And I also got 1 in Sweet Pea. And the hand sanitizers were 5 for $8. I also got some Wallflowers fragrance refill. I ended up buying 5. They were 5 for $24, so I got a set of 5 of the Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. I think this smells very good. Are you guys excited for the fall stuff to come out already? I already want to smell some pumpkin spice. I know we're in July, but something about fall, guys, it just brings so much happiness to my home. I also got another 5 fragrance. I got 2 in the Tiki Beach, 1 in the Watermelon Lemonade, and 2 of the Eucalyptus Mint. And that is gonna be it with the Bath & Body Works haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I got at Homegoods. One of the things I got at Homegoods is actually this lovely candle. It's from the brand of Sand Plus Fog. And it's in the fragrance of pineapple coconut, and it's made with essential oils, and it's a 2-wick. I love the lid itself. I think it's so cute with the little pineapples on it. I can't wait to start burning this. And the candle was $7.99. Another Homegoods find is this lovely mug that says Dog Mom. If you guys saw my mug collection video, I do mention that I got this mug not too long ago, and I'm excited to start using it. I haven't used it yet. And this is from the brand of Ray Dunn, and the mug was $5.99. I think it's so cute how it's in the color of blush pink. I also got some white bins, and they were in the pack of 2, and they were $7.99. I like these very much. I'm going to use them for storing my hand soaps in here from Bath & Body Works. So this is where I decided to store them. As you could tell, I have all my hand soaps. I had 2 additional. I had this one from Rose Water and Ivy, and I also have another Mahogany Teakwood, and I have my Sunshine and Lemon hand sanitizers back here. And I decided to add my little ones way back here. So I'm gonna put this container under my bathroom sink, and I think it's very organized and I like how it looks. And that is it with the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. If you guys want to see more videos, I'm going to link a lot of my videos on the description box. With all that said, have a wonderful day.